Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Tableau Server user permissions for trusted access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Tableau Server user permissions for trusted access, start by logging into your Tableau Server administration interface. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on the Settings option. In the Settings menu, locate the General tab and click on it to access the general configuration options. Scroll down to find the section labeled Trusted Authentication. Enable the Trusted Authentication feature by checking the corresponding box. Next, specify the trusted URLs by entering the domains that will authenticate users. After entering the URLs, confirm the changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Now that Trusted Authentication is enabled, you need to set user permissions. Navigate to the Users section in your Tableau Server interface. Select the user or group that you want to configure permissions for. Click on the Permissions tab associated with the selected user or group. Here, you can adjust the permissions according to the roles you want users to have. Make sure to grant the necessary access rights for content and data based on user needs. After making the adjustments, ensure to click Save to apply the changes. To further validate your settings, do a test login from a trusted system. If users can access their content without manually entering credentials, the configuration is successful. Review the security settings periodically to ensure they align with your organization's access policies. This completes the activation of Tableau Server user permissions for trusted access. Feel free to explore additional options for user management and security as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.